everybody, and welcome to Blue Sky Nail Secrets. I'm your global ambassador, Anne Almbanis, and today we travel to a 5D dimension. Today, Blue Sky gives us the chance to have 5D nail art with the 5D Smoothie Cat Eye Collection. The 5D Smoothie Cat Eye Collection is a new gel polish formula using translucent texture and high pigmented glitter, perfect for fashion lovers, taking magnetic color to a 5D level. Very easy to use for both professionals and beginners. So let's get started. Use your BLUESKY Nail File to file the edge of your nails to your desired shape. Buff your nails gently with your BLUESKY Nail Buffer. Use BLUESKY Cleanser Wipes to clean any oils and dust from your nails. Apply a thin layer of BLUESKY Base Coat, capping the edges of the nails. Apply a thin layer of 5D Smoothie Cat Eye Gel, capping the edges of the nails. Based on your personal preferences, you can quickly use the BLUESKY magnet to sweep over the nail's surface, about 5 seconds for your desired patterns. Apply a thin layer of BLUESKY No Wipe Top Coat, evenly capping the edges of nails. Finish the application with a little bit of cuticle oil around the nails. Isn't it unbelievable? It is offered in many glittery, sparkle magnetic colors, and it gives you a result that many will be envious of. Wait no more and contact your local BLUESKY distributor. Don't forget to follow us on social media. We love reading your comments. And don't forget to hashtag us at BlueskyGlobal so we can repost your beautiful nail creations. Thank you and stay tuned for more.